In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tasco Scan as you shop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Tasco Scan as you shop is a convenient service for Club Card members that allows you to scan your groceries as you shop and pay at a designated checkout. It speeds up the process because you won't need to unload everything, give it to an employee, and then load everything back again after you pay. By simply using the scanner that they are going to provide, you will be able to add items to your basket or trolley, scan the barcodes, and get it all checked out as soon as you are done. So, as you can see, this is what it looks like. You will have to register to use the service. So when you go over to any Tasco, see if they have this available. If you see a wall of scanners like this, then you will be able to register to use Scan as you shop. Sadly, I cannot show you this full process on screen, but you will have to provide personal information such as your address, name, and so on. After you acquire one of these barcode scanners, you can go around and shop. So you will be able to pick up items and scan their barcodes. So just point this specific scanner reader at a barcode, and after it has been read, it will be added into the list. You can scan as many barcodes as you like. Make sure that you are aware and that you scan everything. Don't miss any items that you included in your basket. And as soon as you are done scanning all of the items, they will appear on a list like this. So you will see every single item that you included here. You can easily remove items by using the removal option here, and you can press this button to actually scan any barcode that you put in front of the scanner. And like I said, afterwards you just have to proceed to any checkout area and you can pay by card, pay with cash, and so on. If you are still doubtful about this, ask help from one of the employees, but for the most part it is easy to use. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Tasco Scan as you shop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.